responsible citizens for our state.
In the midst of apprehensions that the death of piglets distributed by the government under the Rural Backyard Piggery scheme was due to some disease, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has revealed that the animals died because of issues related to their transportation. According to the Chief Minister, it would have been a big issue if these piglets would have died from any disease. The Chief Minister felt that their deaths were unavoidable, as he reasoned that one cannot provide all of them with the attention they need. He reiterated that the piglets did not die because of a disease, but admitted that the animals have died.
The piglets have to travel almost 2 to 3 days while they are being transported from different parts of the country today. And obviously in tough situations, difficult situations, transportation of thousands of piglets can have casualties, and that is what has happened. And those piglets that have died purely because of the transportation issues, which are unavoidable in one way, because one cannot really give that kind of a personal attention to all of them. So there are deaths that happen, but it is not because of any kind of disease or anything like that, which is being made to look as if it's that. It's purely because of the challenges during the transportation.
RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat